Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Father Barnes Maury received an award from the research unit of the Khasi Jantia Welfare Association for his contribution to Khasi culture through his writings. Together with him, 3 other eminent writers were also awarded the prize delivered at the Dinam Hall, Jayal. Don Barnes Maury is the author of over 30 books and numerous academic articles published in national and international journals. The Khasi Jantia Welfare Association, which awarded the prize, is an association founded in 1977 and which since 2013 has created this research section to encourage scholars to publish books and articles on Khasi culture and society. On 12 August at the Don Bosco Institute of Sinkase in the Diocese of the Payong, the Salesian Paulin Soglement Kolani was ordained a priest through the imposition of hands and the consecratory prayer of Monsignor Dominique Bantlind Gibail, Bishop of the Payong. This ordination, concelebrated by about 30 priests, comes 10 years after that of Father Mark Lampugini Kombate, the first Salesian of the Diocese of the Payong. The Salesian missionaries of Lilongwe in Zambia have received precious help thanks to the generosity of the donors of Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office based in New Rochelle. The funds raised will now be used by the missionaries to provide food, help maintain the house and pay utilities, including supporting the repair of a damaged well that supplies clean water to the entire community. The Salesian community includes a technical school and the pre-novitiate, where 3 pre-novices are preparing for the next phase of Salesian formation, explained the director of the community, Father Joseph Zerwinski. There are 25 people who live in the community and we greatly appreciate the support received from Salesian missions. The Salesian missionaries arrived in Lilongwe in 1995 and began working in the most densely populated part of the city, also known as Area 23. In 1996, the Don Bosco parish was officially inaugurated by the then Archbishop of Lilongwe. Today, the parish serves between 16,000 and 18,000 Christians. On 15th August, Solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, patroness of the Central Africa Province AFC, 14 novices made their first profession in the hands of Father Guillermo Basanes, AFC Inspector. The ceremony was celebrated at the Regina Mundi Chapel in Lubumbashi and was a moment of great celebration. The General Councillor for Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, made an animation visit to the only Salesian community in the Fiji Islands from 19 to 20th August. The Salesians opened a presence in Suva in 2001, mainly as a residence for young Salesians studying philosophy and theology at the Pacific Regional Seminary. Later, the Archbishop entrusted them with a new parish and youth center dedicated to St. John Bosco. Father Maravilla was also able to visit the 2 climate change refugee communities from Kiribati and a community of displaced persons from Vanuatu. It was also an opportunity to meet the young Salesians in formation and the formation team. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.